Artificial intelligence is reshaping the global job market faster than most of the technology in history. Entire job roles are being redesigned, automated, or enhanced using AI systems. From software development to business analysis, from marketing to operations, AI is becoming a core skill rather than an optional one. But here's the reality. While demand for AI skills is rising, most people are confused about which certification actually helps their career. Because every AI program claims to improve job opportunities, but not all of them prepare you for the same kind of roles. So today, let's compare 5 popular AI programs that understand their real career value. We are looking at the AI Accelerator Program from Simplilearn, the Professional Certificate Program in Agentic AI and Multi-Agent Systems, the Applied Agentic AI Systems Design and Impact in collaboration with Microsoft and Simplilearn, and the IITM Pravartak Advanced Execution Program in Applied Generative AI and the Microsoft AI Engineer Program in collaboration with Simplilearn and Microsoft. Each program leads a different kind of AI career outcome. Let's start with the AI Accelerate program from Simplilearn. This program is designed for beginners who want to quickly enter the AI job market. It focuses on practical AI application skills like prompt engineering, workflow automation, and basic AI system building. Learners work with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, GitHub, Copilot, LangChain, and N8N. Projects are focused on real-world AI applications such as assistance and automation workflows. For freshers or career switchers, this program helps build the foundation to start exploring entry-level AI roles. Now let's move on to the IIT Patna Professional Certificate Program in Agentic AI and Multi-Agent Systems. This program is designed for learners who want to specialize in advanced AI system design. It focuses on multi-agent systems, planning framework, MCP concepts, and intelligent orchestrations. Students use tools like CrewAI, AutoGen, LangGraph, Langsmith, Miro, and Figma. Projects include building intelligent agent-based systems for business planning and decision-making. For professionals aiming for specialized AI architecture or research-oriented roles, this program provides strong technical depth. Next is the Applied Agentic AI System Design and Impact in collaboration with Microsoft and Simplilearn. This program focuses heavily on enterprise AI roles and industry deployment. Learners study production-ready AI systems, MCP integration, structured context binding, and scalable AI architectures. They work with tools like LangChain, CrewAI, AutoGen, and N8N. A key advantage is its strong career support system, including resume building tools, job tracking platforms, and even the interview preparation assistance. For professionals targeting corporate AI tools, consulting roles, and enterprise AI position, this program is highly aligned. Now let's look at the IITM Pravartak Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI. This program is more focused on innovation, research, exposure, and advanced AI concepts. Learners study GANs, VAEs, transformers, stable diffusion, and modern AI frameworks. They also work on creative and intelligent AI projects. A unique highlight is the campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park, along with exposure to startup incubation opportunities. For learners aiming for innovation-driven careers or even research exposure, this program adds strong value. Finally, let's look at the Microsoft AI Engineer Program from Simplilearn in collaboration with Microsoft. This is the most comprehensive AI career-focused program in the list. It covers end-to-end AI engineering, including Python, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and large-scale AI systems. Learners work with tools like PyTorch, TensorFlow, Azure, OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Copilot Studio. Projects include real production-style AI systems such as prediction models, autonomous systems, and AI applications. It also prepares learners for Microsoft AI certification pathways, which includes the AI 900 certification. For learners who want to become full-stack AI engineers, this program provides a strongest career foundation. So which AI certification is best for your career growth? The answer depends entirely on your direction. If you're starting out, the AI Accelerate program helps you build practical entry-level skills. If you want to specialize in advanced AI system design, IIT Patna is a strong choice. If you want enterprise AI job roles with structured career support, Microsoft and Simplilearn's Applied AI program is highly suitable. If you want innovation, research exposure, or even startup-oriented learning, the IITM Pravartak is a good option. And if you want to become a full AI engineer with strong technical depth, the Microsoft AI Engineer Program is the most complete pathway. The truth is that the AI career are not one size fits all. Different programs lead to different types of opportunities. The best certification is not the most popular one. It is the one that matches your career direction, skill level, and long-term goals. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and keep learning with Simplilearn.